Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is ALIcia if you're new here, and I go by ToNaturAli here on YouTube and across all of my social media platforms. And in this video, I'm going to be installing Bantu knots, as y'all can see right here. I haven't taken them loose yet, but I'm going to show y'all the process of me using the products from Nefertiti's Secret. And I picked these up from the World Natural Hair Show in Atlanta. And I met the owner. The owner was just so warm and so kind and sweet and welcoming. And I purchased like her whole collection from there. And she doesn't have a styling product at the moment, but it was released on her Instagram page that she is coming out with a styling gel. So I look forward to trying that out. But in the meantime, I just styled my hair using just her products. I didn't want to use any particular styling product that I already had. I really just used her leave-in conditioner and her oil for these Bantu knots. So it's been almost 3 days since I put these in. I did sit under the hair dryer for at least 2 hours. So I'll say maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes, somewhere around there. And then I just let it air dry the rest of the time. So my hair definitely has to be dry by now because I know my hair takes a long time to dry. And y'all know that I have a lot of hair. But anyway, so I haven't done Bantu knots in a while. And if y'all have been following me for quite some time, I've had a lot of fails when it comes to Bantu knots. And I think this is actually going to be it. I feel very confident that this is going to be it. Let me just speak a little bit about the collection. So this is the bag that I got at the World Natural Hair Show with the products in it. And yeah, we just have products here. And then of course the pamphlet that explains, more about what the products do and the benefits. And so one of her main ingredients is Moringa oil, which is known for, strengthening the hair, giving your hair a nice shine, amongst other things. And also, her products are keratin infused, so keratin protein, which is what our hair is made up of, is keratin. So her line to me is like a treatment line. It's not just catered to one particular hair texture, or hair type, I'll say, like natural hair. It's also catered to relaxed hair. I think also too it can be used on weaves and all of that. But from what I've gathered, like just looking at some of her posts on Instagram, people have used her products to like straighten their hair. So it's to protect their hair and to add the shine, elasticity, all of that to the hair while getting it blow dried or straightened, flat ironed, or a silk press or whatever. And a lot of the results were great, but since I'm a little scaredy cat as far as really straightening my hair, and I'm just not yet ready to straighten my hair, I just wanted to see how it would perform with just putting my own style, like Bantu knots and sitting under the hair dryer to see how it turns out. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all see my process of me, my thoughts on me using the products as time went by as I was using them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all everything, and then we're gonna come back and unravel these Bantu knots. I'm gonna be reviewing these products because I walked by the stand and it was just so eye-catching, the Egyptian theme, and the packaging, as y'all can tell, is very just like makes you like, ooh, I wonder what this line is all about. I like the colors and just everything about it, and also the owner of the brand. So anyway, let me get into it because look, this hair, I haven't washed it since the World Natural Hair Show, and I'm way overdue. My hair has been showing me in so many ways. I've been putting it off for too long now. A lot of product buildup, all of that. The shampoo, it's not super strong smelling, like very light smells. A little citrusy. I don't know how to describe it. It has moringa oil in it, coconut oil, rosemary, sage, and what else? Horsetail, amongst other ingredients. So let's just see. So it is a bit, it's not a liquidy shampoo. It's pretty thick. So And as you can see, it lathers very quick. So I'm really gonna focus on my scalp because when we shampoo, we really want to cleanse the hair, particularly the scalp. So yeah, it's supposed to nourish the scalp, restore moisture, add body, and shine. And I like that the shampoo has sage in it and rosemary because we know that rosemary is good for stimulating hair growth. So my hair is looking at the shampoo in. Alright, let's go rinse it out. I just finished rinsing out the shampoo and my hair feels soft. And it doesn't feel stripped, which is good because we know that sulfate shampoos tend to really strip the hair because it's like a harsh cleansing agent, but because this is sulfate free, you don't have to worry about that, your hair being stripped, and yeah, it doesn't feel dry or bad. I think it worked pretty good, and actually before I rinsed it out, I could feel like my scalp felt refreshed, which is good. So they have their complete hydration conditioner, and I could use that next, but I actually want to use their ultimate rejuvenating treatment, which is another product in their line, and it's supposed to strengthen your hair, repair damaged hair, and also nourish dry hair. This product is used as like a deep treatment. It's supposed to increase moisture levels and add luster to dull hair. And it says after shampooing, then apply to damp hair for 10 minutes. And then for deeper penetration, leave on for 20 minutes under the dryer and rinse. But I'm going to use my heating cap and leave this in for 20 minutes because I want the ultimate like experience. This has aloe vera gel. All of her products have moringa oil in it. But this smells, oh, I don't know how to describe it, but it's a pleasant smell. I like it. So this is how creamy it is. So it's not super thick, it's like medium. So I'm going to use that through my hair. Okay. Let's see how it feels. It's a little soft. Okay, I just finished rinsing out the treatment. And wow, I think my coils are more defined. Look at it. My hair doesn't feel dry, but just looking at it, just looks, and it feels a little stronger, and it's soft, not super soft, but it's soft. But so far I think that that's okay. Let's try their complete hydration conditioner. So this is really creamy. See how this feels. This can be used as a leave-in, a rinse out conditioner, or a deep conditioner. So, wow. This gives great slip, I see. I'm just using my fingers, y'all. Look. So it can be used as a co-wash, a leave-in, a deep conditioner, a regular rinse out conditioner. Okay, I just finished rinsing out the conditioner and I love that. Well, you know, I can't say I love something that quick. I try not to say that, but I really like the conditioner as far as detangling and slip. And I can actually see it as sort of like a curl definer. Like the way my curls were, you know, popping when I would use my detangling brush. I think it gives my hair great definition as well. I just rinsed it out and retwisted my hair. And this is how it's looking. And it feels soft and strong. And it smells good. It smells like citrus. Alright, so I've started doing Bantu knots using their leave-in and their oil. So this is an all-in-one leave-in treatment. It detangles, hydrates, softens, strengthens, revitalizes, and adds shine. And of course, as mentioned earlier, it has Moringa oil with natural extracts. I'm going to apply this now. It's a spray. You can see some of the shine that it's giving. And it feels soft too. Like whoa. And look, I can just run my brush through. Look at that shine. Alright, now I'm going to use their Moringa oil. So far they don't have a styling product, but they are coming out with a styling gel soon. So I just want to see how these products alone work in my hair. And this is their Moringa oils. It restores moisture, controls frizz, enhances shine. So this is like a heat protectant. It can be used for blowouts. It's supposed to restore moisture, add shine, eliminate frizziness. Also help soften your hair. I am going to be sitting under the blow dryer for a bit just to make sure that I set my hair with these Bantu knots. I like this oil, it feels smooth. So the oil's pretty light. It's not super runny either. It's like a light oil. And the leave-in conditioner is pretty light as well. So I'm going to do like a twist knot. But it's still Bantu knot. So I'm just going to twist to give my roots some stretch. And it just helps me with installing this Bantu knot. Oh wait, I missed some hair. Put my finger here and twirl as I go. This Bantu knot looks a little messed up, but I think this is good. We'll see. If I have to go back and redo it, I will, but you get the point. Just installing these all throughout my head. Alright, I am all done. Finally! So, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, did I mention it came with like a little mirror too in this bag? How cute. Let's see, we'll start with this one here. This was kind of already unraveled. Okay, it's just one. Let's see. Excuse my nails. I know they look a hot mess. I'll say right now my hair still feels soft even after 3 days of just having this oil in. I have a nice shine to it too. Look at that. Hey y'all, so I think it turned out pretty good. I think I'm just going to separate it some more, but my hair feels soft. And I didn't even use a styling product, just that leave-in and the oil. Alright y'all, so this is how it's looking with it mostly being separated. I want it to be bigger, but I think this is cute. I also really like their leave-in. It really gave my hair the slip that it needed and also added the moisture back into my hair. It felt smooth, gave my hair a nice shine as well. I would recommend their complete hydration conditioner, their all-in-one leave-in treatment, and their Moringa oil. They're all really great products, and that's that. Yeah, let me know what y'all think of my results. Look at that. It's so light and fluffy. I will actually let y'all touch my hair if y'all were to see me unplug up. Like, girl, touch my hair. But yeah, it feels great and it's nice. And but I think for all these products I paid, I think it was $65 or $55. I know that's a big jump, but somewhere between that. I think this is probably one of my best Bantu knots. Yeah, I would say this is my best Bantu knot out. So that's all I have to say. I think, wait, do I have anything else? Okay, I don't have anything else at the moment. If y'all have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see y'all in my next video.